I've always been fascinated by how small changes can lead to huge results. But here's where it gets wild. We're gonna see Sarah's bills literally chasing her around the kitchen. One night, she sits down with a glass of wine and decides it's time to budget. Sarah doesn't just mope. She channels her inner Rocky and starts negotiating those bills like a boss. And boom! Within 90 days, she saves an entire month's salary. Picture this: her money wearing sunglasses and chilling in a plant pot, growing like it's on steroids. We're talking stocks, ETFs, and TFSAs in 2025, but way less boring than your high school economics class. Sarah starts a side hustle selling bulk items on Amazon. You've got to see her dancing in her PJs after her first sale. It's pure joy, people. We end with Sarah strutting through the city, bank account growing, with our epic caption: Budget, Save, Invest, Hustle, Canadian Edition.